Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another tutorial video. So on my previous video, some people asked me in the comment section, how did you manage to grow her hair like this naturally? So I'm going to show you a little tutorial what I'm using to grow her natural hair like this, and I can bet with you that if you try it, you are going to see a difference from your hair. So I'm going to use this curling moss cotton shea butter. This is what I'm using to curling her hair and also maintain her hair and moisturize her hair, because she is the kind of person that her hair have a strong hair like this, especially when you are combing it, she will be crying. So I make sure that I get everything that will make her hair look be soft, so and whenever you are combing it, it will be very, very soft. She will not be crying. So one of the best thing I do is to get this shea butter cotton wave curling moss. Okay, so after I have washed the hair, finish with shampoo, I now use this curling moss to moisturize her hair, and also using this sunscreen correction. This one is an Italian, they write it in Italian name. Okay, so this one is also for coiling hair, because they write it here riches, that is a coiling. Okay, so you can get it if you are in abroad here, you can get it in a supermarket. I think it's maybe €2. Okay, so you now add it. I always use it to moisturize her hair, very, very, very soft. It make the hair very, very soft, and it also grow the hair very, very, very fast. So here is me, I'm trying to make sure that I moisturize the hair, reach the cap and the cap of the hair, to make sure that all the items I put inside the hair enter the hair very, very, very well.
My love looks over at me, and I'm reminded that I'm home with my family. 'Cause love is thicker than you know.
So after I have moisturized the hair, so I'm going to also go with this Blue Magic condition hair, to use it to also moisturize her hair very, very well. This condition has helped me a lot. First of all, I first got this condition, so when I use it, it's really, really nice. So after that, I have to use this oil. This oil is the one that I just prepare it at home. It's a natural oil. I use coconut, I use carrots, I use a lot of natural things to prepare, even avocado to prepare the oil. So you can also prepare it in your house. So this oil has been helping her hair very, very well. At least it has been growing her hair and making her hair not to be falling. So as you can see, I am trying to tie up the hair after I have put all the ingredients I needed for the hair to be always look healthy. So I have to tie up the hair.
Don't say you'd rather be alone.
So look at the style I'm giving the hair. If you enjoyed the tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Always try it in this way. Use all the products I'm just showing you right now, my dear. You are going to enjoy your daughter hair, or you enjoy your hair. I love you guys.